In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open files in After Effects. Hey, but I already know how to open files in any program. It's easy. Well, smart mouth, sometimes things don't go as planned. For example, I'm going to try to open one of the files. Boom! Whoa! What? 33 files are missing since just... Okay. Don't panic, don't worry. Okay, this is what you get. A lot of colors, cool, but if you're not into that sort of thing, you can fix that by clicking here. Well, actually there's two ways to do it. The slow way or the fast way. Let's do it the slow way. Right click, replace footage, file. Or you can just click on the file and then click Ctrl H or Command H on Mac. Boom. Yeah. And I have it here in the desktop to the character puppet animation. Then you open it. Hey, I found everything. Woohoo! Now you have everything back to normal. Now, if you already knew how to do this, then I'm sorry for wasting your time, but be patient. Not everybody knows all you know, okay? Okay, let's move on to start rigging this character, Jimmy. Okay,